today we are in Palm Beach. Actually came here to go to Restoration Hardware, a furniture store, to look at patio furniture for our house. Decided to come walk around and check a little bit of Worth Avenue, which is like the main street here with all of the beautiful stores. So I'm gonna show you around for the day today. There's Mr. Herman. Hi, babe.
Boy, it's a little guarded here. You just go in.
That's beautiful. No, babe, I think it's private property, no?
Gates open and it says, open daily.
Bam's Garden. Look how pretty inside here. Check this out. And it has like a little, what do you call this, babe? A pergola?
Gazebo.
Huh?
Gazebo.
A gazebo. So cute. Look at that. This is like antique jewelry. Look at that. This Van Cleef right there. Oh my gosh, look at this Cartier. Bulgari. I mean, these are like, I don't know, millions of dollars. Check that out from Cartier. Dior, so cute. Oh my gosh. Valentino. I like these actually. Look how cute. Do we like these Dolces? It's a little crazy, huh? Check it out. Don't know. Look how pretty. Look at the Dior. Not a fan of this look though. This does not look Dior-ish. How pretty the store. Zimmerman. Oh my gosh. I'm going crazy. So many pretty things. Look at this. This dress is adorable. Oh my gosh. Look, this is Zimmerman.
Is that nice?
In love with this Zimmerman, guys. There's just one and it's not my size. It's way too small. Ooh, check this out. This is Dior. How pretty. Oh, look at the jacket. That's cool. Oh, look how pretty. With the little jewels. That's adorable, huh? Check out this top. This is $1,000. It's like the cute super summery one. And look at the skirts. But these, to me, are the most beautiful pieces. Look. Look at the skirt. Wow. Oh, look at how cute the Nice, and this is a huge travel one. Doesn't look very practical. I love those like hat boxes. So pretty. Check out the suitcase. Okay, so this is the brand new one, but it's so big, guys. I'm not feeling it. This is really pretty. I like this one, guys. It's tiny but cute. Okay, and this is the Coussin. There is a smaller size, which I didn't realize there was. But look. Okay, so that is the other option. The Rendez Vous, brand new, just came out. Scott likes that better. That is the Rendez Vous. But this one, I mean, you can kind of only use it one way, right? I mean, you cannot Oh, this is very beautiful. I'm obsessed with this. Parece mesmo. Ah, gostei. I like that you can do crossbody on it. Check this out. It comes with a separate leather strap. Guys, the team at Louis Vuitton was so nice. I had so much fun. They recognized all of my TikTok videos making fun of luxury shopping. That was awesome. And actually the new bags, I was very surprised. I thought I was gonna hate them, and I love them. They're even nicer in person. You have to check it out. In the Coussin, you can get it in a smaller size, which I didn't know. So even though I hated that all the bloggers were rubbing that in my face, I like the bag in person. Now we're gonna go eat at a place called Sant Ambroeus, right, babe?
I'm so hungry.
I bet you are. It is Italian food and it is absolutely incredible. The other cool thing about there, guys, is that the little plaza where Sant Ambroeus is located, and baby, you're about to make a left and we are supposed to go straight. Oh my God, oh, he just did something so illegal. Babe, you're gonna get us in jail.
They won't catch me.
So the plaza where this restaurant is, it's where Hermes is located, and Saint Laurent and a couple of other super cute stores. So also nice for you to walk around after you eat. Look how pretty this area going to the restaurants. Just adorable. Oh, look how beautiful here, guys. I love it. The restaurant is adorable inside. Outside is absolutely amazing, but it is so hot right now that Scott and I couldn't handle it. I'm sweating so much, you guys. So we decided to stay in. We're gonna start this party with a Bellini. Scott is having coffee. Such a wimp. Perfect. Thank you so much. Scott got salmon, asparagus, and some potatoes, and I went with carbonara, some cappuccino to wake us up. Okay, for dessert we have fruit tart and this vanilla with like hazelnut and chocolate, which sounds pretty amazing.
This is all mine, though. You can't have any of mine. This is yours. This is mine.
We're gonna see about that.
And I'm gonna take it over here.
So we discovered these most incredible books. Look at that, they're giants. Look at that, Yves Saint Laurent. Let me show you this stack right here. And I'm trying to see.
Case, or you want to know the book inside?
Look at that, the case. How pretty, look at that, they have Dior. You have the most beautiful books here.
Oh, thank you.
Wow, look at that, all Dior.
I have a smaller.
Look at this. This is giant and amazing. This is incredible.
Right here, I'll show you.
Look at that. So there's a book inside it.
Yes, all these have books inside.
Wow. This is just actually the case for the book.
Yes, it's called the clamshell, but look at suede.
Wow. This is beautiful. Oh my gosh. Wow. Little piece of fashion history here, huh?
There's Carl.
That's Carl. Yay. Oh my gosh.
But they're hand done, and these are glued photos. So there's a lot of handwork to it.
Wow. Oh, I see. So these are glued photos. That's incredible. Oh, look at this Cartier.
Yeah, and we just did the new one below it.
How amazing. Okay, look, this Louis Vuitton one here as well is huge. I mean, how incredible for your home. Make it look super sophisticated. Now that our belly's full, the food was absolutely incredible, but the service sucked. Our waitress just disappeared. Like, she showed up.
She just left. She just totally left.
She took her order. Somebody else brought her food. She came back once and completely never came back again. Like, some other dude saw us sitting there and felt bad and decided to come and help. I mean, that's how we finished our service. So we spent probably double the time we wanted to spend at the restaurant, which sucked. But now I'm excited to go see furniture. My favorite furniture store in the world. I'm sure you guys already know that because you have seen it before. So we had to stop because there's a boat coming, look, and the drawbridge is going up. So we all have to stop. And I don't know if you can, there's the boat right there that's gonna go. Check it it out. Look at that. That is a marvel of engineering. Just blows my mind. All that concrete, look at that, up and down like it's nothing. Look how beautiful the store. Oh my gosh, it's incredible. All right, now we're gonna look at the patio furniture. Let's check it out. This is why we come here, because you can actually see everything, how it looks in real life. You know what I mean? In the catalog, it's just not the same thing. It's all I'm gonna say. Check this out. Full of vibes. Babe, this is the one we want right there. Okay, so check this out. This is the one we want right here with this table. We are contemplating on the color, but look at this is, look at that. This is a vibe, babe. This is the other possibility right here, but the arms, this is not as modern and chunky. This is like a little lighter, I think, right? Check that out. Scott is already right at home. Is it comfy, babe?
Very comfy.
This is the other possibility. It's more of like a natural wood color, but because our house is really modern, I feel like we should go with the gray. I mean, babe, the white seats look all right. Although, look, you can tell under a little bit the color under. Look.
Under what?
Where it comes in contact with the wood. Wow, look at that, how incredible. You see how grand it is, makes Scott looks tiny.
It's not that big.
Wow. We had a blast. We saw the furniture. We picked what we like, right, babe?
That's right.
Now time to go back to Orlando.
Only a 2.5-hour drive.
I know, we are so adventurous, man. But the store here has everything. That's why we come all the way here. So thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you guys hanging out with me. And I'll see you on the next video. Love you. Bye.